Next 20 important locations that we would be covering from the news recently. So, Ramnagar district in Karnataka, one of the major centers, and it is known for its silk production, and it's one of the silk cities of India. The next is the Kafir district, very, very important for this time. This is a newly formed district of Nagaland, separated from the Tusang district. Now, Kifri district is very, very important, you must know, and this is the ninth district of Nagaland. The next is Munga silk in Assam. Now, Sualkashi is one of the areas where you have silk weaving that is commonly seen. Here you have Munga silk, which is commonly grown, and this is a yellowish green tint which is seen with the silk variety. And after bleaching and dyeing, you have the silk production that is seen, and hand wash is a common wash that is seen with it. Otha Kadai is one of the very famous sweet dish from the regions of Madurai. It is served in the mandhari leaves, and this is commonly seen in the regions of Madurai in Tamil Nadu. Madurai is a place located on river Vaigai. Meenakshi temple is one of the major temples that are seen in Madurai, and Otha Kadai halwa is much more popular dishes than any other traditional dishes, as in the Tiruvallur district as well. The next is Dihar. Dihar, you have the Defense Institute of High Altitude Research located at Leh Ladakh area. Now, this is a region where you have cold, arid, agro-animal technologies that are used. Farmers are being educated here to grow medicinal herbs for the Indian Army. Dihar is one of the major defense centers and the defense high altitude research centers indeed. Shinkula Pass is a pass lying between the regions of Lahul Spiti and Ladakh. So it's on the border between Himachal Pradesh and Jammu Kashmir. Atal Tunnel, which was part of the Rohtang Tunnel previously, has been opened again, which is important. The next is the Kudalur Beach, which is also known as Silver Beach, located in Tamil Nadu area. Recently, lot of colored plastic particles have been found in this region. However, Silver Beach is known to be one of the longest beaches on the Coromandel coast and one of the longest beaches in Asia itself. So, Silver Beach, a very, very important location, also known as the Kudalur Beach. Bidar district in Haryana is known for its Bidri art. We have covered the Bidri art in our class on handicraft separately. So important, just go through that. Bidar is a region which is also the coldest and the wettest district of Karnataka. It is also one of the holiest place for Sikh people, and Bidri craft, as we said, is one of the popular crafts in this region. The next is Jiribam district. Jiribam district in Manipur is important. It is known as the Western Fate of Manipur, and lot of projects have been recently seen in this region. The next is the Shivok railway station in the region of Darjeeling, West Bengal. Now here we have seen a small railway station that has been developed, and it's very important because most of it lies in the region of West Bengal. A little of the track lies in the region of Sikkim as well. The next is Katib community, which is the Old Delhi's Urdu Bazaar. Now, this was a vibrant community which used to do the work of calligraphy. With modern printing facilities, lot of skilled craftsmen have lost their job, and this is located in the region of Delhi NCR. The next is Halam community. The Halam community is located in the regions of Assam, Tripura and Mizoram. Now, recently there has been lot of controversies where Bru refugees have been moving in, and there has been defense from the people regarding protest from the people regarding the movement of the Bru people in the region. Again, Halam community has 12 different sub-tribes which have been mentioned here. The next is Senapati district in Manipur. It is one of the 16 districts, one of the major tourist centers. Recently, Sister Shweta Parmar, who is one of the persons from Don Bosco College here was conferred the award for the best program officer from Senapati district in Manipur, again important. The next is Thothkundu. The Thothkudi district in Tamil Nadu is a location which is considered for the country's second launch of rocket. It is also known for its pearl fishing, and therefore Thothukudi district in Tamil Nadu is important. The next location is Kalaburgi district in Karnataka. This is the word Kalaburgi means from the former days the stony land in Kannad. Tuar dal, pigeon pea are some of the most grown crops in this area, and it is also recently known as Gulbarga. It's one of the largest cities of Karnataka as of now. The next important location that we would understand is the Duram Cheruvu Lake. Duram Cheruvu Lake is located in the Telangana state. Sorry, you have a district which is wrongly written. So it's the Telangana state, and close to the region where you have this, you have a cable stayed bridge. Now this bridge is one of the longest bridge in the country which has been recently constructed. The next is Thonakal. Thonakal in Thiruvananthapuram is a location where you have medical device manufacturing facility which has been started by Sri Chetra Tirunul Institute of Medical Sciences, very important institute. Thonakal is also known for volleyball team here is very famous. The next important location is the Society of Earth Sciences located in Lucknow. This has nominated and submitted a draft legislation for conservation of geoheritage sites, and three of the important locations have been mentioned. Those are the Dinosaur Fossil Park at Mahisagar district in Gujarat. Then you have the Ramgarh crater at Bana district in Rajasthan, and Zawar mining centers in Rajasthan. So those are the important locations. Dinosaur Fossil Park at Rayoli in Mahisagar district, Gujarat, is one of the proposed geoheritage conservation sites. The next is Sagarmatha National Park. However, this is across India in the region of Nepal. It is important because it has been declared as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Kosi River runs through this, and this is one of the major centers for Sherpas. You have Sherpas and deep ecology that is highly seen in the region of Sagarmatha National Park in the region of eastern Nepal and Himalayas. So again, a very important location. So these were some of the top locations that we have discussed. We would be covering many more interesting locations for you. Stay tuned. Have a wonderful day ahead.